I'm here at the Morgan Center, and I'm gonna go clean the fish tank and check it out. So let's go. Here we are on the stage. Ooh. And let's check out these fishes. Ooh. This tank is a little dirty and there isn't that much water. So we're gonna take out some water, clean the glass, and then put some more water in there. Let's look at the fishes. First thing we need to do is get some buckets. Usually I have people helping me, but since I don't have any help today, I'm gonna do it all myself. Unplug everything so I don't get electrocuted. I get to flip the switch. There you go. Yep. There we go. Yeah. And then I'll remove the automatic feeder. Take off the really dirty cap. Oops. Ooh, gross. Now I'm gonna scrape the sides down. We're gonna scrape all the sides. Front, back, and the two sides. You can see how dirty it is in here. Ooh. But the fish look happy. Hey look, it's Gus, and Gus, and Gus, and Gus, and Gus. Did I tell you guys I named all the fish Gus? Now we're gonna get our little vacuum cleaner, our vacuum gravel cleaner. We're gonna stick this side inside, and then this other part we're gonna put inside here. But first we have to start siphoning, and siphoning means to kind of suck this like a straw and get that water out. And once it starts, it'll only stop once I pull out the end. So let's see if I can show you guys. I'm gonna go for it. So if you can see the water, and if I put it right here, it'll start going. And then this side, I'm just gonna start sticking it in. Whew, we took out lots of water. So we need to take out the water so we get nice fresh water for the fishes. Otherwise they're gonna be swimming in their own poop. And here are 2 water bottles full of water. And what we're gonna do next is I'm gonna go pour this inside of our garden. I'm gonna pour these bottles of fish poop water in our garden. Oh man, it's a good thing to use water from a fish tank to water a garden because there's a lot of fertilizer in that water, so it'll help our plants grow. And so hopefully by a couple weeks, maybe these plants will be nice and big and delicious. All right. Now we have to go fill this up with some water. Let's go get some water. now we're done pouring in all the water. The next step that we need to do is take off this thing right here. You see this little thing right here? Ugh. This is the sponge to make sure that the water's clean. Look how dirty it is. We're gonna toss this out and we're gonna cut ourselves a new one. Let's go to the office.
Look at the sponge. My scissors.
Now we got our fresh sponge filter. So let's stick it inside. All the way to the bottom. All right. We're gonna fill that up with some water and then we're gonna plug everything back in and it should all start up. All right, it's plugged in. You can see that machine working. Pretty soon it'll start up. We'll put our lid back on. Put our light. Ooh, look how clean it is now. Yeah, there's some leaves there, but the leaves make it look nice to me. They're just kind of floating, suspended. I'll put the automatic feeder back on there. It still has plenty of food. And let's test it out, make sure that it's not gonna hit the lid. Yeah, that's pretty good. All right, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video.